shantaj ham qolmadi, tuhmat ham qolmadi. Hamma narsani sindirib tashladinglar. Kelgan hamma ishni qildinglar. Xo'sh, endi nima qilishim kerak? Bu uchun odam qilib kerakmi? Hech narsa bo'lmagandek indamasdan borib xizmatini qilishim kerak. Men bunaqa ahmoqlikni qila qizil tentek bo'lish kerak. Qila olmayman.
So'ragani keldim. Hammasi uchun uzr so'rag. Sizdan Zulfiya, iltimos.
Mendan kechirim so'rayaptimi? Nodira Halilovnami? Qarshimdagi kechirim so'rayaptimikan? Yo, rostdan nima o'ylab keldi ekan?
Qo'yingam la'nat.
La'nat
yana bir marta. Seni tuqqan.
Zulfiyaning qonuniy xotinisiz. Siz yo'q deyishga shoshilmang. Siz haliyam Rustam aka.
Yo'q.
Yoki unday emasmi?
Shunaqa.
Arzimagan kelishmovchilikni deb arazlab o'tirishingiz yaxshi emas. Eringiz qarovsiz qolibdilar. Ertaga Xudoni oldida nima deb javob berasiz?
Matlubaxon, ko'nglim sovib ketdi.
Sayam farzandingiz uchun opa, endi janjal bo'lmay. Zulf, o'zingiz uchun bo'lmasa. Bizni ham uyda bo'lib turadi bunaqa janjallar. Bo'lmagan uy bormi? Kechiring. Oilangizni tiklang.
Agar u uyga qaytib borsam, yana meros uchun kelgan deb janjal
qilmaymiz.
Chiqarishadi.
Yo'q. Uni
qachondan
Rustam akaning ahvollari
oldingiz?
Juda ham jiddiy.
Bundan boshlab akangizni o'ylaydigan bo'lib qoldi.
Qo'lda ko'rmagandim. Ularni hech qachon bunaqa ahvol. Zulfiya, tan olaman. Dilingizni og'ritdim. Sizga ko'p yomonliklar qildim. Afsus.
Bitta menga emas, sizmi sizni nima deb atasham? Hammaga shunaqa qilasiz. Tomon ko'radi.
You think for a moment. Defensive until it's not. They understand. By 6:40 a.m., the first units are already moving. You don't go with them. You never go with them anymore. You used to. Back when this was smaller, simpler, before the numbers got too big. Now your battlefield is distance, decisions, consequences. You watch everything unfold from a room no one can trace. Hours pass. Updates come in fragments. Team Alpha in position. Perimeter breach, minimal resistance. Jamming increasing. Contact, light engagement. You don't react to each update. You absorb them. Build a picture. Then, unexpected resistance on the south ridge. You lean forward. Define unexpected. Heavier weapons, not standard issue. Of course, because it's never just one player. Adjust route, you say. Shift extraction corridor east. Use terrain cover. Copy. More movement, more tension, then a pause. Longer this time. You feel it before they say it. We've got casualties. You close your eyes for half a second. Numbers come next. They always do. 3 confirmed, 5 wounded. You nod, even though they can't see it. Keep moving. There's no space for anything else, no room for regret in real time, because if you hesitate now, it multiplies. The operation stretches into its 10th hour. Sunlight on the other side of the world. Darkness where you sit. Different realities, same consequences. Then something shifts. Air support compromised. Your jaw tightens slightly. How? Helicopter was intercepted before reaching the zone, forced to divert. You stare at the map. They're tightening the net. Whoever is behind this doesn't just want the site. They want control. And control means showing that you can't operate here anymore. You make a decision, a real one. Burn the equipment. Silence. Even your team feels that one. That's 80 million. I know what it is. You cut in. We don't have the time or the cover to move it. We get the people out. Another pause. Then, understood. Explosives get set. Charges placed with precision. Assets that took months to acquire reduced to a timeline measured in minutes. You watch as feeds flicker. Dust, fire, controlled destruction, money turning into smoke, but people moving. Always people moving. Extraction point shifts again. Vehicles instead of air. Slower. Riskier. Necessary. Convoys rolling. You lean back. This is the longest part. The part where everything can still go wrong. Roadblocks, ambushes, mechanical failure, bad luck. Luck is always part of it no matter how much you plan. Hours pass like seconds. Then, they made it. No celebration, just confirmation. Personnel accounted for. Wounded stabilized. Crossing into neutral territory. You nod. Good. Screens begin to dim as systems shut down. People log off. Voices disappear. Until it's just you again. Alone in a room that never officially exists. You sit there for a while, staring at the empty map. You did what they asked. You extracted the assets. You kept it quiet. You gave them deniability. But something doesn't sit right. It never does. Not anymore. Because you know what this really was. Not just a conflict over resources. Not just a miscalculation. It was a test. Someone wanted to see how far you could go, what you would sacrifice, what lines you would redraw when pressure hit. And now they know. You stand up slowly. Your phone lights up again. Different number. Same type of silence behind it. You answer. No greeting. Just breath on the other end. Then, impressive work. Not your client. Not your team. Someone else. Someone watching. You don't respond. You protected the personnel. You destroyed the assets. You avoided escalation. A soft pause. Exactly what we expected. Your grip tightens slightly. Who is this? A quiet chuckle. Someone who understands your value. You walk toward the window again. City lights flickering like nothing happened. Like nothing ever happens. We have a proposal. The voice continues. Larger operations, better alignment, fewer constraints. Of course they do. Because once you prove you can operate in the gray, people who live in the black start calling. What makes you think I'm interested? Another pause. Then, because now you know the system doesn't protect you either. Silence stretches between you, and for a moment, you see it clearly. All of it, The layers, the lies, the way power actually moves. You're not outside the system. You're just another part of it, a useful one, until you're not. Your reflection stares back at you in the glass, different than it used to be, harder, quieter, more precise. What's the job, you ask? Because of course you do. Because this is how it works. One operation leads to another. One decision opens a door you can't close. And somewhere along the line, you stopped asking if you should. Now you only ask how. The voice on the other end smiles. You can hear it. We'll be in touch.